Hello, welcome to Appliance Master Facebook Live. I'm Bill, and today I'd like to reflect on 4 decades in business here at Appliance Master. This Friday on the 16th, we'll be celebrating our 40th anniversary. In June of 1983, I founded the company, and it's been quite a ride. I'm very proud of the achievements of our staff and all the people over the years. And also, before I get too far into that, if you have a question that you'd like answered, you can comment below, or you can always go to appliancemaster.com. You can even call us at 800-752-7123. I know the phones are working today. They were out for a couple hours yesterday, but so you can always call us there. And first and foremost, I need to give like a heartfelt thanks to and extreme gratitude for our customers that have supported us over the years. We have done hundreds of thousands of service calls. That number is hard to say. It's hard to spit out. It's crazy. 40 years is hard enough, but when you say hundreds of thousands of service calls, on average we were doing like 16,000 service calls times 40. It's a big number. Anyway, but the reason we were able to sustain this for so long and do such a great job is that our team, both technicians and the support staff alike, have developed a culture and business systems that just keep getting better all the time. It enables us to deliver a remarkable level of service to our customers. And I'm always impressed. Every year it seems to get better and better. And even been in it 40 years, a lot of people would think like, oh, you're gonna retire. It's like, no, I'm having more fun than ever. And I enjoy it more than ever right now. So hopefully you're not gonna get rid of me that easily. I want to also, if I haven't already, say how proud I am of all of our technicians over the years, and the staff we have right now. They've contributed, a considerable amount, and with our support staff too, we have a remarkable level of professionalism in this culture that just keeps growing and getting better. And but if you're don't be alarmed. We're not going anywhere, and in fact, we're going to continue. I'm going to continue to push for improvement, so we can look for new ways to bring value to our customers, and also to our staff, our technicians, because over the years we've brought value to them as well. I'm very proud of the fact that they own houses, have families, raise children, and the level of their accomplishments is also equally proud. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, and remember, you can always schedule online. If the phones don't work, you can schedule an appointment online at appliancemaster.com, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.